If you want to rank on Google, but you hate writing, you've come to the right place. I'm going to share with you the cheat code that we use inside my agency to write content that ranks. And just so you know that I'm not bullshitting you, here's some screenshots from some of our client dashboards. So if you want to rank on Google, you're going to need to write. Listen, I know writing sucks, but using my process, my cheat code, it's going to make it a lot easier and a lot quicker. No more staring at a blank screen, not knowing where to start. This cheat code is also known as a content outline. So basically, you're just filling in the blanks. And yes, you can use ChatGPT to do this for you. But before you can get ChatGPT to write you a piece of content, you need to provide it with an outline. Before I get into it, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single Monday. All right, the first thing you're gonna need is a blank document. I like using Google Docs because it's free and it works. So this is assuming you already have a keyword you want to rank for. In my case, it's home sauna. So I have home sauna article outline up here, and then the main topic is home sauna. The next step is doing keyword research. To keep this video short, I'm not going to include all the back end of what I do for keyword research, but if you want to learn more about keyword research, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be posting a video about that shortly. But don't worry, you can still follow along with this video without using keyword research tools because that's only a small part of this whole process. Okay, so now that we have the keyword that we want to rank for, we're just simply going to go into Google and we're going to type in that keyword. So we're going to go through and grab a couple of these results because we're going to use those to create our content outlines. You can ignore stuff like Home Depot or Costco or Amazon because those guys are huge and they're not really doing any SEO and they're only ranking because they're such a huge brand. So now that we've opened up the top 3 search results that aren't one of the giants, we're going to grab some information from each of these pages. This is going to help us build a foundation for our outline. And the purpose of this is to create the best piece of content about this topic that exists on the internet. And we're going to do that by taking information from all 3 of these top pages as well as our own information and creating a really great outline that we're going to use ChatGPT to fill out. Before we move forward, make sure to go to detailed.com and grab this extension. It's free, and this is what we're going to be using in this tutorial, so I want to make sure that you can follow along. Go grab it right now. All right, now that we have the Detailed SEO extension, we're just going to come up here, click it, and this is going to show us all the SEO that's being done on this page. The tab we really want to go to is the headings tab, and we want to copy all of these headings. And we can see here that we're missing the heading 1 tag, which if you don't know, the heading 1 tag is the most important tag on any website page that tells users and Google what that page is about. What we're going to do is we're going to come back to our document and we're just going to paste all that in. And Detailed SEO actually will tell you if it's an H3, if it's an H2 tag, all this kind of stuff. We're just going to paste that in there and then we're going to, press enter a couple times down here. We're going to go to the next site and we're going to do this exact same thing. Go to Detailed SEO, go to headings, click copy. They only have a heading 1 tag, so not quite sure how they're ranking, but this keyword should be fairly easy to rank for. And then we're going to come to the third site, close the pop-up, and we're just going to do the exact same thing. So by looking at these heading tags, we can make an outline for a piece of content that we actually want. So you're just going to go through and delete stuff that doesn't make sense, like menu, mini cart, and so on. I'm going to go through this really quickly. Okay, we have this cleaned up a bit, and I've gotten rid of all the irrelevant stuff. Now this is all just about saunas. So now we're going to create our own heading 1 tag. This is going to be the title of our article. I'm going to go with something like home saunas, everything you need to know. Right, that's going to be the title of my article. That's my heading 1 tag. And then we're going to change all of this other stuff into either heading 2 or heading 3 tags. And we're going to add some keywords in there as well from the keyword research that we did previously. We're going to change this to a heading 2 tag, wooden indoor saunas for the home. Do another one, outdoor saunas. We'll say at home outdoor saunas. Then we have another heading 3 tag here that says outdoor saunas. We can delete that. Hot tubs and cold plunges. That's not really related to home saunas. And then I'm just going to delete these last 2 because they're not really that relevant. And we need to go in here and we're going to add some other keywords anyway. So as you can see, we are building out the outline for your article, which ChatGPT is going to write for you. Okay, so looking at our keyword research, we can see the volume here. It's sorted by volume. We're going to take words like basement sauna because nobody else mentioned basement sauna. We want to add that as a heading 2 tag, home steam sauna. Great. We're going to add that there as well. How to make a sauna at home. Sure, we can tell people how to make a sauna or how to get them to buy our kit. How much is a sauna in your house? Like how expensive is it? We're going to add that in there. How to make a sauna in bathroom and how much does a sauna cost? Okay, so these are great keywords for us to use here. So we're going to make these heading 2 tags. I just put H2 here so that we know that they're heading 2 tags because sometimes in these Word documents, you can't really tell. So now we can see that we have, a pretty good outline here, but it could be better. So we're going to do something up here. So our main keyword is home sauna. So benefits of having a home sauna. That's going to be another heading 2 tag. And then we're going to go here, heading 3 tag. And then you're going to have different bullet points. So what are the benefits? Health benefits, mental health benefits, whatever the benefits are, you would go in and fill those out. and this would require some more research as well. But go in, fill those out. Wooden indoor saunas for the home, pros and cons. So we go here, we'd add this pros and cons, and then we're going to do a heading 3 tag, and we're say pros, heading 3, cons. What are the pros and cons of that? Okay, so instead of doing all of this manually, because you might not be able to come up with ideas, and we want to avoid you staring at a blank screen, not knowing what to do, not knowing what's next. So I just took this, I put it into ChatGPT. I'm saying, please take this outline and create more heading 3 tags for the heading 2 tags. Press enter and we'll see what we get. Okay, so I'm just going to copy everything that ChatGPT wrote here. They really elaborated on what I asked. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to actually replace everything in here with what ChatGPT wrote. And this is going to give us a crazy long piece of content, which is what Google wants to see. So you can go through here and organize it so you can see what the heading 2 tags are and what the heading 3 tags are. Okay, so at this point, we've done 3 things. We've gone to Google, we've looked at the top search results for the keyword that we want to rank for, we've grabbed all the heading tags from those websites, so we have all of their outlines, and we added in our own keywords from our keyword research, and then we went to ChatGPT and said, hey, can you elaborate on some of this? I'm out of ideas. And they made this giant list that we have here. Now it's your job to go through this list and make sure that everything that ChatGPT wrote is relevant. And there you have it. This is the cheat code. This is a content outline that you can go in and fill in the blanks. You can do this yourself if you are really passionate about this topic, or you can get ChatGPT to do it for you. The only downfall of just taking this and putting it into ChatGPT is the content isn't going to be that great. And of course, I have another video coming out that covers all of this, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. Bye.